Welcome back to the Art and Home channel, where this week I have no idea what I'm going to be doing. Okay, but in all seriousness, this week we are waiting on our shipment of Soffit to really continue any work. There are a couple panels right over there that I can do on the just above the wainscot, but apart from that, we are unable to progress any further. So hopefully I'll be getting that shipment soon, and we can continue rolling on that. But without further ado, let's get to what we can do. So I'm trying a little bit different tactic today. By far the hardest part of doing sheets yourself is getting that first screw in, because having to hold it up and get enough force behind your hand to get the screw to bite is pretty challenging. So today what I'm going to do is use my impact drill just to put in the first screw that won't have a washer, so I know to pull it out. But the reason I don't do this normally is because it will strip the paint pretty regularly. But having an impact drill, I think, should make it much easier to get that first screw to bite, and then I can switch to the normal drill for the rest of them. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, yeah, that actually worked really well. Getting those first couple screws in there was significantly easier with the impact drill. I will probably continue doing that going forward. All right, that's pretty much it until we get our soffit in. Now it's just a waiting game. But all right, we're back at the property today. We finally got our shipment in here of the soffit and some additional J trim that I ordered for doors and extrusions and stuff like that. Thankfully, we are able to get going again, and I'm excited to do that. I've just got to saw all of this stuff up here. Guessing that's going to take me most of today. I'm still a little nervous if I'm going to run out of screws. That's really the last thing that should get in my way, and that, I think, will be something that I can get a hold of without too much trouble, I think. Yeah, let's get going. Done, and now we can finally get back to working on the building. got the soffit area, soffit and fascia area all taken care of now. And now I think I'm just gonna go through and caulk all that, make sure as little water gets through as possible, and then we'll start moving on to the back wall here. Back at it again in the morning. Goal for today is to finish up all the trim on this side of the, so hopefully we can get through all that, so it'll be nice and weather resistant while I am gone on jury duty. The only worry that I have is dealing with all this rock here. Moving the scaffolding on it takes quite a bit of time, and we'll see how that goes though. Looks great. Might be my best one yet. All right, this side's all finished now. It's looking pretty good. Now to do the side I'm less excited about, all the rocks here, and I have to navigate around our septic outline here, which will be another challenge. So it's gonna take a while, I think. That is it. We are looking really nice and weatherproofed, and definitely liking how it's turning out. I may come back and do this small little piece of J-channel right up here tomorrow, but generally I think this is where I want to leave it while I am doing jury duty. I don't really want to put Tyvek up and risk that getting blown down if I'm in like something that's like a week or two long. If you found this video entertaining or informative, please hit that thumbs up button, as it helps us a great deal. And if you're into going against the grain to seek out a life of happiness, then consider hitting that subscribe button, as we're gonna have a lot of cool videos in the future for you guys. I'll catch you guys next time.